Hello and welcome to another episode of Moose's Gear Goo Review. I'm Moose, and today I have an unboxing, and that is of the Cryptid Crate. This is for the month of November 2019. I know I did one, actually no, for December. I apologize, I'm flustered. So this is for the month of December 2019. I told you, a couple weeks back I did an unboxing where I got like the jackalope socks and the little stuffed animal, Bigfoot, whatever. Looking back on it, it was kind of a bust, but I'm hoping to get some goodies this time. I really like cryptid books and monster books and stuff, so hopefully I'll get a book in here or something. But other than that, let's crack into it and see what it's about, and then I'll give you my thoughts on it once I'm done. So let's check it out. Over to the table. Alright, so here we are at the unboxing area. Once again, it was sealed shut with the packaging label and my shipping address. So obviously I took that off. I have yet to open it. It's not taped up in any other way. I will say this is larger than the last Cryptid Crate I got. The last Cryptid Crate was fairly small. This is a little bit bigger, so I'm hoping there's some bigger, better items in here. So let's crack it open. Ooh, now it is December, so it's obviously the holiday season, and right off the bat, got some really cool looking items here. We'll start with this guy. We have a cool beanie with a skull and like some creepy downward facing antlers. That just looks awesome. It's a nice kind of crimson maroon color, and yeah, it seems really nice quality, soft material. Pretty pumped for that because I love hats, especially in the winter. I hate having cold ears, and so far this is a big win for this box. Next up, we have a t-shirt, and it's 2XL, so I'm gonna have to lose some weight. But oh my goodness, this is awesome. Now, right off the bat, you look at this and you're like, is it an elephant? You see it's done in kind of a cross-stitch pattern or whatever as like an ugly sweater. But if you don't know what this is referencing, we have the bridge in the background. This is referencing the Mothman. So this is an awesome Mothman holiday shirt with the Point Pleasant bridge that went down on Christmas Day. And killed like 54 people or something, and it was connected with a string of Mothman sightings. So pretty awesome. If I'm incorrect with any of those dates or anything, please correct me down below, but definitely look into the Mothman bridge collapse. A tragic incident, but an awesome cryptid reference in this t-shirt. So another big win already. This is just getting better and better. Here we have Annie McPhee's Bigfoot soap. Me sorry, me so stinky. If you don't know, I did start using Dr. Squatch soap. So I'm already using a Bigfoot reference soap, but this is just better with this. There we go. As you can see, really cool little tin. I just like the saying, me sorry, me so stinky. Just silly, stupid. So yeah, probably a bar of soap in there. Bigfoot, cool little tin. I love Bigfoot, so of course I'm going to dig this. Next up, this just keeps getting better and better. Look at that. Nothing's better than Christmas cookies during the holidays, and we got a Bigfoot cookie cutter. A flippin' Bigfoot cookie cutter. Yeah. Squatch. Maybe it's a Yeti. Maybe it's a grass man. Hand wash in warm water. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, it's the Abominable Snowman cookie cutter. So, pretty cool. I'll have to learn how to make cookies. But definitely another Bigfoot reference win. Then we got this. Oh, my goodness. Chuddy Winks. It is a Bigfoot or Abominable Snowman Christmas ornament. Oh, heck yeah. That is just too awesome. Simple kind of plastic cutout ornament with a classic kind of Bigfoot figure and pose. You see the sagittal crest up top. If you're into Bigfoot, you'll know what that is. You got the big swinging arms and whatnot. So reminiscent of the classic Patterson-Gimlin footage of Bigfoot walking. So pretty cool. Looks like we got one more thing in here besides our little note card that gives prices on everything. So we got 20, 35. So just in the hat and the t-shirt alone, I'm getting the price of the box. I think the box itself is $35 to $40. So you're pretty much getting that with the shirt and the hat, and then a couple other things. So the next thing is the Firebird CHN. Not exactly sure what this is. Oh, it's Wendigo T. So it's Wendigo T, if you can see that. T is proud to sell only extremely high grade world-class tea. Our goal is to supply you with teas that you will love to drink every morning for the rest of your life. So yeah, and I guess this is Wendigo tea. The glorious Firebird, imposing beast. Suggested brewing, tells you how to brew it. And yeah. So pretty sweet. This is the Firebird one. It's from wendigotea.com. You can check them out and look into them. So I actually drink tea. I don't drink coffee, but I do drink tea every once in a while. So honestly, let's quick recap. We have the Firebird Wendigo tea. We have the Bigfoot silhouette cookie Christmas ornament. Pretty sweet. We got the Abominable Snowman cookie cutter. Awesome. The Annie McPhee Bigfoot soap. Me sorry, me so stinky. And then we got the really cool Mothman inspired t-shirt. And then even cooler, this creepy hat with some sort of reference to something. And you get your description card. Once again, you can find out more information at Cryptid Crate at Instagram, as well as Facebook.com/Cryptid Crate. They got a Twitter, and then CryptidCrate.com if you're interested. So yeah, and real quick, the hat. Keep warm this winter with this Wendigo beanie, a Cryptid Crate exclusive embroidered by Nate's Southern Designs. So this is supposedly the Wendigo. I've never heard of the Wendigo actually having antlers on it, but either way, I feel like the Wendigo has become a much more popular cryptid through different TV shows and media. So I think it's going to be morphing into whatever, but basically it comes from an old Ojibwe Cree Native American legend. And supposedly if you see a Wendigo, someone will die in your tribe or your village soon. And they also say that you can be possessed by the Wendigo spirit if you taste human flesh. So, pretty gnarly. Yeah, so let's jump back over and I'll give you my 2 cents on what I think of this. Hey yo, so you got to see the unboxing of my Cryptid Crate for December 2007 or 19. Wow. I am tired. I should have filmed this the day I opened it, but I'm getting to it a little late. It's a busy time of year, the holiday seasons, but nevertheless, for this Cryptid Crate, I was very impressed, and I really liked the stuff. So, the t-shirt, super cool. Wendigo hat. I don't know why there's a skull with antlers on it, but whatever. I'll have to look into more Wendigo lore. But still a cool hat. Cookie cutter. It was 3D printed, so it was pretty neat, but it worked all right. I made a couple sugar cookies. And the Christmas ornament will be hanging on the tree. And yeah, so I don't know. I really like this one, especially compared to the month before. So definitely a win for Cryptid Crate. And it is a perfect holidays/Christmas a subscription box, so well done. And yeah, so hopefully you like this video. I want to say happy holidays to all the people out there. If you're into Christmas, Merry Christmas, and for all the other holidays celebrated around this time, I hope you have a wonderful time with friends and family. Other than that, stay tuned, and we'll see what else I can pump out, hopefully right before the end of the year. Thank you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. Check out these other videos, and I'll see you outside.